Hello YouTube, Tech is back with another video, and today's video is about a VLC media player. And when you open on your VLC media player a 4K or 1080 HD or full HD videos, it may lag or skip or crash or show you some buffering or stuttering issues. So if all these problems are occurring on your VLC media player, then I have a solution for you. Stay tuned until the end of the video. So we are going to use step-by-step solutions to solve this problem. So the first thing that you should have to do in solving this problem is on your VLC media player, go to Tools, select Tools and open Preferences. So follow me until the end. So after you open the Tools and Preferences, then you'll find Input Codecs here on the top, Input Codecs. So select input codecs and you'll find hardware accelerated decoding. On that option, you'll find here a drop down menu. If it is showing automatic, just disable it. Select disable and save this. So after you do that, then again you will go to tools, then preference, just follow me the steps. Then after you go to preferences, then go to all. Here on the bottom you find all. So after you select all, there are list of options that will appear on your screen, but scroll down to the bottom and you find video on the bottom section. Here on the bottom section you find a video which have drop downs, and those drop downs you'll find output module. Select the output module. So after you select the output module, you find video output module. So enable this, which is it's disabled. So make it on automatic. And after you make this video, then output module, then you make it automatic, then save this preference. So after you save this preference, then again you will go to tools, just a few more steps to finish, and then preference. And after you open the preference, then again we will go to all here, and on the all you will find here on the third advanced audio input codecs. Then select the input codecs, and here on the input codecs go to the bottom section and you will find the file caching, which is meter per second file caching, which is 1000 on my case. On your case it will be 300, 500 or any number. Just make it double. On my case it's 1000, then I will make it 2000. If you in your case it may be 300, make it 600. If it is 600, make it 1200. So make it double and go and save on the save preference. So save. And again, after you do that, the final thing that you will do is again go to tools, then go to preference, and again we will go to all. All, selecting all, and on the all you find here input codecs. On the input codecs you find video codecs, and select the drop down arrow and you find here FFmpeg. You find FFmpeg. So select the FFmpeg and find for trade. Here I found the trade, which is you should have to give a value of 2, which is trade should have to be 2, and go and save this, and it's finally over. So now you can play 4K HD or full HD videos or 1080 HD videos without lagging or stuttering, buffering or gray screen problems. So if this video is helpful, you can give me thumb up, you can subscribe, and you can give me comments on the comment section. For today, Tech out.